A fierce storm rips across the Martian surface. Red dust fills the air. The Ares 3 crew scrambles for safety, their mission cut short. Mark Watney, a botanist and mechanical engineer, is hit by debris. The crew, believing him dead, evacuates without him. Watney wakes up alone. He is injured, low on supplies, and stranded on a desolate planet millions of miles from Earth. His habitat is intact, but his connection to Earth is gone. Fear could cripple him. Despair could consume him. But Watney is a survivor. "I'm not going to die here," he declares. He will need every ounce of his training, skill, and ingenuity to stay alive. His immediate needs are clear air, water, food. Looking around his temporary home, he takes stock of what he has. Limited food rations won't last. He needs a sustainable solution. "Time to science the shit out of this," he mutters, echoing the words that will become his mantra. Watney is a botanist. He has the knowledge to grow food, but Mars is no Garden of Eden. He needs fertile soil and he needs water. Using his ingenuity, he creates a makeshift farm within the confines of the Hab. His fertilizer? Well, let's just say Martian soil has never seen anything quite like it. Water is a bigger challenge, it's scarce on Mars. Watney, ever resourceful, finds a way. He extracts water from rocket fuel, a dangerous but necessary gamble. He knows one mistake could mean a fiery end. Yet with every success, his hope grows. He is a castaway on a desert island, but his island is a planet. He doesn't just need to survive, he needs to live. He misses human contact, the sound of another voice. He scavenges for anything to break the monotony. He finds solace in disco music, a touch of earthly absurdity in his Martian exile. He is alone, but he is not broken. Can you hear me now? Watney's next challenge: re-establish contact with Earth. He knows NASA will have assumed he's dead. He needs a beacon, a sign. Then he remembers. Pathfinder, an old rover from a previous mission. If he can find it, maybe, just maybe, he can get a message home. He sets out on a perilous journey, traversing the alien landscape in a rover. The Martian terrain is unforgiving. Dust storms, treacherous canyons, and mechanical failures threaten his mission at every turn. But Watney perseveres. He is a man on a mission, fueled by hope and disco music. Finally, he reaches his goal, the Pathfinder site. He repairs the rover, a testament to his engineering skills. He establishes a connection. A message flashes across the void. Watney is alive. Millions of miles away at NASA headquarters there is stunned silence, then jubilation. Mark Watney, the astronaut they mourned, is alive. The news of Watney's survival electrifies Earth. He becomes a global celebrity, a symbol of human resilience. But fame is little comfort on Mars. He is still stranded, his fate hanging by a thread. NASA works tirelessly to bring him home. A daring rescue mission is planned, fraught with risk. Every calculation matters, every gram of fuel counts. But the Ares 3 crew, Watney's former crewmates, have a different idea. They will go back for him, even if it means defying orders. He's alive, his commander says, and that's all that matters. The journey is long, the tension unbearable. But finally, the moment arrives. A spacecraft pierces the Martian atmosphere. Watney, heart pounding, looks up at the sky. He is no longer alone, he is coming home.